And we need to find a kind of a bridge that connects that kind of passion to a kind of literary or artistic style. And I think that's really what I've tried to provoke my team to provide.
I think nostalgia is a almost opposite of sports. Nostalgia and memory, and romance. And people don't romance, the writers don't romance the sports the way they should. I hadn't seen Michael play for a long time because there was not much live billiards on television, but I've read about it. And then the imagery that words create, television can never create. It's so transient. YouTube and all those things now are so accessible. Yet, I don't think it stirs imagination. You see it, it's out there before you. The world sort of paints pictures in your mind which say, they have far bigger, better resonance, and they stay too much longer.
I'd like to draw the example of Mithil Kala's K.N. Prabhu talking about cricket. Yeah? It was actually poetry they wrote, yeah? And they described the action extremely well. So you're right, I mean, I agree with you.
No, but the sort of counter to that is the fact that I think people will still read if they're written, if sport is written well. And this is something that editors don't understand.